Hello, hello, hello everybody. It is time for another Temu haul and I am pretty excited to share with you guys this haul. Now, you guys know me. I am loving trying to get my house and my life back together, and Temu has some great ideas, great things to help you guys organize this year. So everybody loves to get all their clutter stuff, all the organization started for the beginning of the year, and I'm here to get started. So let me share with you guys my Temu haul for today on organization for my house. So if you guys are new to Temu, Temu is an online website and you can also download the app, but they have so much things for a fraction of the price and I am absolutely loving their stuff. I use some of that stuff every single day. There's stuff that I cannot not use it every single day, and there's some great stuff that you guys can use. But if you guys are new to Temu, I definitely recommend trying it out. And if you haven't, download the app. If you guys are new and you haven't downloaded it, you can actually download it. You will use the code DKJ5682 and you'll claim it, and you guys can get a $100 coupon bundle. So not a $100 off coupon, but it is $100 of a bundle of stuff that you guys can get, and you can save some big money. So make sure you guys use that, but you just have to use the app, or I have the link below that you guys can use it. But it is a $100 coupon bundle, and there's some great items. I will also have everything down below of everything that I share with you guys that I am sharing with you today, because I am pretty excited. So as you guys know me, I'm always trying to get my life back together. I've been really trying to organize, trying to get everything put together, especially like my area where I film. I do YouTube stuff and I do my Etsy stuff, and I'm always looking for stuff to organize. So let me share with you guys this thing that I got. I actually put all these together because I know you guys kind of want to see it, but my son keeps asking for like a little cart that I have. So I ended up just getting this 3-tiered cart. This is $14.79, and I'm actually gonna make this a craft cart for my kids. My kids have like a little table upstairs and they put all their craft stuff on it, but then my son like overdoes it. And I thought this would be a cute little cart to put right next to their table where I can have their papers and some notebooks and pens. And then I'm also gonna have, like, I saved an ice cream bucket that I'm gonna let them put all their markers and crayons and all that stuff in there. But I thought this would be a cute little cart to have for my kids to have as a art cart, is what it basically is. So this is pretty easy. It's got wheels on the bottom. This was super easy to put together. I mean, it took you literally a couple seconds or like a minute to put it together, and it's really lightweight, so it's very easy. But this is perfect for my kids for the art cart. I'm just trying to make everything as easy and organized for my family. The next thing I got was something that I wanted to use underneath my sinks mostly, but I don't have to use them under my sinks. It's a 3-piece, 2-layer. So this one's the big one right here, and it was super easy to put together. They're just like regular stands. There's no drawers to it. But I ended up getting a 3-piece of this one. So there's a big one, and then they have a medium size like this. And then there is also a smaller size of this. And then it comes with little hooks, so if you need to like hang something from the top and hang it down. But I thought these are perfect for like underneath my bathroom. I'm just trying to organize underneath my sinks in my bathroom a lot better. And even I have a closet, so these are perfect for, you know, I don't have, like, there's a lot of room underneath those sinks, but I thought these would be perfect for, like, you know, shampoo, all my stockpile stuff. I thought this was great. This is actually $24.79. Now keep in mind, all these prices do vary depending on what you have, but I will have all these links below. But I am pretty excited for this stuff, and again, super easy to put together. So I got that to put under my sink to keep everything organized, and if I choose not to use all of them, I can definitely use it for my craft area, which I am pretty excited for. The next thing I got is, this is a repeat buy. I actually just got one of these last time, but I ended up getting one of these under sink roll out drawers. So only the bottom one rolls out. This is $17.37. You don't have to use it for under your sink. You can use it for like, I kind of like it to like have the kids put snacks and stuff in there. And then it does come with a little holder. So if you need to put like, you know, something to hang on there. And then it also comes with 4 of these little clips if you need to hang some other stuff on there, or stuff like this right here. So it's great for like hanging little things on here, and this is perfect for anything under cabinets, in storage things. I can use it for other stuff, but I'm just really loving keeping my thing organized. So again, this is $17.37. The next thing I got is a tension rod. I didn't take this out of the box, but I ended up getting one of these little tension shelf things because I have some square shelves behind me, and I can always use another shelf to kind of keep things separated. And I thought this was cool. This is in comes in a different sizes, but this is $9.99. And as you see right here, what you do is you just open it up. It's in plastic right now, but you can just open it up and then it'll tighten with these little tighteners. So I can use another shelf in my little craft area and still be able to use top and bottom. So I like it when I don't have any wasted space and I can keep everything all organized. The next thing I got is a repeat buy, you guys. I have at least 6 of these. I cannot tell you how much I love these. This is a little acrylic stand. Now, as you know, I collect little figurines like the Funko Pops, and I put these on here. I cannot believe how many I can get to fit. Like, I have an entire collection just to the left of my camera, and I absolutely love it, and I ran out of space. So I have a little shelf on the right side of me that I plan on using these, and I can fit at least like 4 to 5 on each shelf. I kind of have them sometimes sit in a certain way, but I think this is like 14 bucks or something like that. Super easy to put together, and it's actually very great quality. I love it. This is something that I probably will have to get more of them, because I used to use like spice racks for my Funko Pops, but like you can't see their faces, but using this I can see all their faces, and I absolutely love this. I think this is like $14.79, but they do range in price depending on how many shelves you want and how wide you want. This one is not the widest one. This one's actually the smaller one, I think, but I absolutely love it if you guys are looking at something like that. The next thing I got is a shoe rack. Now, my house, we have their main door and then we have a garage, and my kids are always just plopping their shoes down wherever, and I'm like, how do I not have a shoe rack? So I ended up getting this one right here. This one is 4 shelves, and it's got like the plastic little shelves on it. I think it's really cool. I really like this. This one is $8.49. So $8.49 for this awesome shoe rack. But it's gonna help me keep organized. My husband's like, what are you building? And I'm like, I'm building a shoe rack. He's like, you know what? We actually need one of those. So I got one of these. This one is gonna go probably in next to my garage, because I have we have all of our jackets and stuff right there. So this is perfect for like just keeping our shoes organized, because otherwise we pile them all on top of each other and it makes a huge mess. And I want something to look nice and clean. When somebody comes into our house, it's like, bam, we got that. So I ended up getting a different shoe rack. Now this one, again, can come in different lengths and everything, but this one was $10.79, and this one's gonna go to my front door. But I like it because I need something to keep my life organized, and my kids' shoes, I'm gonna get in a habit where if you take a shoe off in my house, you put it on the shoe rack, because we're always searching for shoes. That's one thing we do, is we spend more time looking around all over the house for shoes. Well, guess what? We got a rack, we're keeping it on the rack. So that was what I got for that. Another thing is, I'm pretty excited for this. Is you're like, what is this? What is this? So we always hook our phones up to our cars when we're driving, and there's no really good spot for your cell phone to sit. And like, we have it in the center console, and it's always making moving around or making this like weird noises. And my husband's always like, just hang on to my phone, hang on to my phone. And then sometimes you don't want to touch the cord because it like disconnects. Well, this, so like I'm sitting here in the passenger seat, the console's right here. I'm gonna stick this like right to the side and then put my phone right in here. Like, it can fit in here the long way, but I just plan on just putting it like this just to keep the phone plugged in as close to the plug-in as possible. But I thought this is something that I'm pretty excited to use, and my husband's like, what the heck is that? And he's like, you know what, that's pretty smart. Yeah, because we're always hitting the phone and then I don't want to ruin the cord, but this is a great thing that I'm pretty excited for that. And then I ended up getting this, and you're like, what the heck is that, Jennifer? Well, let me share with you guys what I'm excited for. So I get a lot of these smaller size garbage bags when they're on sale at specific stores, and I always thought, why don't I get a dispenser? So I was thinking of actually putting this in. It's got a little, it's got an adhesive thing that you're gonna do. I'm gonna connect this to my bathroom cabinet that I have in my bathroom, and I'm gonna put like all the bags in here. So when I need a bag for my garbage, I can just grab it, and it's super small and light, and I'm pretty excited to use this. But this is going underneath my cabinet to keep my bathroom organized, because I'm always like, where'd I put those bags? Where'd I put those bags? So this is an easy deal. Oh, I forgot to mention that this was just 59 cents. 59 cents, and this is $1.62, and it does come in different colors, but I am pretty excited to use this because I need something to keep my life organized, and if we can keep garbage bags organized, I will definitely do that. So that was everything that I got for an organizational haul. I'm pretty excited. I got a lot of useful things. I got things to keep my life easier, relaxed, and tidy. But again, if you guys are interested, you can use that code and download the Temu app, where you'll get a $100 bundle. It's all random. I'm not sure what's all in it, but you guys will definitely have to check it out. But they have some great deals, and you guys want to check out some more hauls that I'll be doing in the next couple weeks, I will definitely share with you. But I am pretty excited to keep my life organized, and I hope you guys too. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. I am super excited to share with you guys great things that you can get from Temu. But again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.